So welcome back guys. In this video we are going to discuss FIR lattice structure. As we have discussed, the general form of an FIR filter, the system function of an FIR filter h of z is represented by 1 plus a m of 1 z power minus 1 plus a m of 2 z power minus 2 plus dot 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 plus a m of m z power minus m. Okay, so where what is m? M is the system or filter order, and also a m of 0 is always 1. Okay, so that's why this value is 1. So now a first order lattice structure is of the form something like this. So we are feeding x of n across the input. So this x of n comes directly to the adder, and there is a one delay element here. So this x of n comes here, and output of this x of n is x of n minus 1, and these are the two outputs we get. And here we are multiplying the coefficients to the adder. This coefficient is called as k1, and here also we are multiplying k1. So this is called as f1 of n, which is nothing but our output y of n, and this is r1 of n. And input where it is going here is called as f0 of n, which is x of n itself. Okay, and this is r0 of n, which is x of n itself. So what is y of n here? Y of n is equal to what? f0 of n. f0 of n, it's added with what? k1 into, this is in terms of r, this is r0 of n going inside to the delay element. Output of this delay element is r0 of n minus 1, right? So it is k1 into r0 of n minus 1. So this is the output. Basically f0 of n is x of n itself. This is x of n itself, and r0 of n minus 1, it is nothing but x of n minus 1 itself. Okay, but you have to take care of the coefficient, which is k1, these two values. Okay, so general direct form realization, what is h of z? 1 plus a m of 1. Since this is a first order system, it is a1 of 1 z power minus 1. Okay, whereas for lattice structure realization, the coefficient is k1. Okay, so all lattice structure realization we call coefficients in terms of k's, and whereas for direct form realization, coefficients we call it in terms of a's. Similarly for the second order lattice realization, that is in terms of a's, I can write it as h of z is equal to what? a1 plus a, since second order, 2 of 1 z power minus 1 plus a2 of 2 z power minus 2. Whereas in terms of lattice structure, this is k1 and this is k2, right? So the second order is the cascade of two first orders. So this is the first order. We have x of n, we have f0 of n, we have r0 of n, and this has been added, and here we are feeding it through a delay element, and then it is added. So we are multiplying k1 as a coefficient here. So what is this? This is f1 of n, and this is r1 of n. So this is the first stage. Now second stage is the output of this goes to the second stage. Output of the first stage goes to second stage. So this is an adder here with a delay element. We get an adder here, right? And what is the output? This is f1 of n, this is f2 of n, and this is r2 of n, and we are supposed to multiply k2 as coefficient here, k2. Okay, so coefficients here are k1 and k2. and this is actually our output y of n. So now we shall discuss conversion from direct form to lattice. Given a system or filter in direct form, how do I convert it to lattice? Okay, so the formula is given by for m is equal to m comma m minus 1 comma m minus 2 comma dot 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 2 comma 1. Okay, so where I'll write it here, where m is system order. So for example, if the system order is 3, so m takes the value 3, 2, 1. If the system order is 5, m takes the value 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and so on. For every value of m, so we have to do km is equal to am of m, and am minus 1 of I is equal to am of I minus am of m into am of m minus I whole divided by 1 minus km square, where I is taking the value between 1 to m minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula to convert a system from direct form to lattice. We shall take up one example to convert from direct form to lattice. So determine the coefficient km of the lattice structure, lattice filter, corresponding to FIR filter described by the system function h of z is equal to 1 plus 2 z power minus 1 plus 1 by 3 z power minus 2. So also draw the corresponding second order lattice structure. So this is what we need to do. So we have to convert given a system in direct form, and I need to convert it to lattice structure, and I also have to draw the corresponding second order lattice structure. Fine. So solution. So what is the formula we have? So it is for m, for small letter m, taking the value m comma m minus 1 comma m minus 2 dot 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 2 1. So what is that? Km is equal to am of m, and am minus 1 of I is equal to what? Am of I minus am of m into am of m minus I whole divided by 1 minus km square, and I taking the value in between 1 to m minus 1. What is this? Since this is a second order system, what is the general form of second order system? H of z is equal to what? 1 plus a 2 of 1 z power minus 1 plus a 2 of 2 z power minus 2. This is the general form of second order system, right? If I compare this general form of second order system with this, what is a 2 of 1 value we have? A 2 of 1 value is what? 2, right? And what is a 2 of 2 value we have? A 2 of 2 value is this, which is 1 by 3. Okay, so I need to convert from these a's to k values. So we need k1 and k2. These two are unknown for us. Okay, so converting from direct form to lattice structure. Okay, so for m is equal to so I have to start from the order, given order is second order, right? So 2. So m takes, for m is equal to 2, it has to do some operation and comes back, takes m is equal to 1 and performs some operation, and it stops. Okay, So for m equal to 2, what is k2, which is equal to a2 of 2, right? Correct, no? So for m is equal to 2, first I have to take 2 because the given order is 2. So what is k2? K2 is what? a2 of 2. But what is a2 of 2? a2 of 2 is 1 by 3 given, right? a2 of 2 is 1 by 3. So a2 of 2 is 1 by 3. So we got k2. Okay. So what is the next formula? So it is this formula, right? Let me write this formula. So a m minus 1 of I is equal to a, since m is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So I will directly write it as a 1 of I is equal to a 2 of I minus a 2 of 2 into a 2 of 2 minus I divided by 1 minus k2 square. And I is taking the value from where to where? It is taking the value from 1 to m minus 1. But m is 2, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. So I takes the value, only one value, which is 1. Okay. So for I is 1. So for I is equal to 1, for I is equal to 1, what do we have? A 1 of 1 is equal to a 2 of 1 minus a 2 of 2 into a 2 of 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 1 minus k2 square, right? So a 1 of 1 is equal to, what is the value of a 2 of 1? a 2 of 1 value is 2, right? So a 2 of 1 is 2 minus, what is the value of a 2 of 2? a 2 of 2 is 1 by 3. So it is minus 1 by 3 times a2 of 1. a2 of 1 is 2 divided by 1 minus k2. What is the value of k2? k2 is 1 by 3. Right? This is equal to 2 minus 2 by 3 divided by, so this is 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. This square, so this is square, and this is 1 minus 1 by 3 square. So this is equal to, so we get 2 by 3, 2 minus answer divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 square. So we get 3 by 2. So we get 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So now for m, we did it for m equal to 2. Now for m equal to 1, for m equal to 1, right? So what is k1? For m equal to 1, what is k1? Is it is a1 of 1, which is equal to, what is a1 of 1? 3 by 2. And you stop here because we got the value of k1 and we got the value of k2. So therefore the k1 value is 3 by 2 and k2 value is 1 by 3. Okay. So this is the conversion from direct form to lattice. Now we have to plot the structure, second order lattice structure. So x of n coming here, and this there is a delay element here. So we have to add. So what is the value of k1? k1 is equal to 3 by 2, and here also I have to multiply k1, which is equal to 3 by 2, right? And this is f naught of n, and this is r naught of n. So output of the first stage goes to input of second stage, right? And there is an adder here, there is a delay element here, one more adder here. So this is y of n, right? And what is this? This is f1 of n input, and this is r1 of n as input. So this is f2 of n, and this is r2 of n, right? And I have to multiply the coefficient, which is k2. What is the value of k2? It is 1 by 3. Here also k2, which is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So this is the lattice realization of the direct form structure is of the form something like this. Fine. Now we'll take up one more example. So given the FIR filter with the following difference equation. So y of n is equal to x of n plus 3.1 x of n minus 1 plus 5.5 x of n minus 2 plus 4.2 x of n minus 3 plus 2.3 x of n minus 4. So sketch the lattice realization of the filter. Okay, so given a system in difference equation form, so this is actually in the form of direct form. Okay, I need to convert it into lattice structure. Okay, solution. Now this given in the form of difference equation, I have to convert this into h of z form. So because since it is a fourth order, how did I say that it is a fourth order? Because the maximum delay what I have is 4, right? So for fourth order, the system function is of the form what? H of z is equal to what? 1 plus a 4 of 1 z power minus 1 plus a 4 of 2 z power minus 2 plus a 4 of 3 z power minus 3 plus a 4 of 4 z power minus 4. So, okay, now I have to convert this difference equation form into something like system function form. So we'll do that. So we'll call it as equation 1, and we'll take z transform of equation 1. So what do we get? When I take z transform of equation 1, y of z transform of y of n is y of z is equal to, this is x of z plus 3.1 into z power minus 1 into x of z. So z transform of x of n minus 1 is z power minus 1 into x of z plus 5.5 into, so this is z power minus 2 times x of z plus 4.2 into z power minus 3 times x of z plus 2.3 into z power minus 4 times x of z. Okay. Now what we'll do, in this equation we can take x of z common, right? If I take x of z common, so what I get? 1 plus 3.1 z power minus 1 plus 5.5 z power minus 2 plus 4.2 z power minus 3 plus 2.3 z power minus 4. Okay, so we'll do that. So y of z divided by x of z is equal to 1 plus 3.1 z power minus 1 plus 5.5 z power minus 2 plus 4.2 z power minus 3 plus 2.3 z power minus 4. Now what is this? This is nothing but h of z, right? So z transform of output divided by z transform of input is nothing but the system function h of z is equal to what? 1 plus 3.1 z power minus 1 plus 5.5 z power minus 2 plus 4.2 z power minus 3 plus 2.3 z power minus 4. Now this is of the form what? H of z is equal to 1 plus a 4 of 1 z power minus 1 plus a 4 of 2 z power minus 2 plus a 4 of 3 z power minus 3 plus a 4 of 4 z power minus 4. Where what are the coefficients we have? A 4 of 1 is what? It is 3.1. A 4 of 2 is what? 5.5, comma a 4 of 3 is 4.2, and a 4 of 4 is 2.3. So what is that I need? I need K1, I need K2, I need K3, I need K3, and I need K4. So I need to convert from direct form to lattice realization. Okay. So what is the formula we have? The formula is for m is equal to m comma m minus 1 comma dot 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 comma 2 comma 1. So what is that? Km is equal to a m of m, right? And a m minus 1 of I is equal to a m of I minus a m of m into a m of m minus I whole divided by 1 minus km square, and I is taking the value 1 to m minus 1, right? So here what happens? M takes the first m value takes is 4 because the order is 4, right? It takes 4, does this operation, comes back, takes 3, does this operation, comes back, takes 2, does this operation, comes back, takes 1 and does this operation and stop. Okay. Now for again for k is equal to 4, so I is varying from 1 to 3. For k is equal to 4, I is varying from 1 to 3. For k is equal to 3, I is varying from 1 to 2. and k is equal to 2, I taking the value 1 and it stops. Okay, that's what happening here. So we'll do that. So for m is equal to the first value, which is 4. For m equal to 4, so what do we have? K 4 is equal to a4 of 4, which is equal to 2.3, right? Because a4 of 4 is 2.3, no? If you see here, a4 of 4 is 2.3. Okay, so next is a m minus 1 of I is equal to a m. Since m is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3, I'll write it as 3. a3 of I is equal to this is a4 of I minus a4 of 4 into a4 of 4 minus I whole divided by 1 minus k4 square, and I is taking the value 1 to m minus 1, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3. 4 minus 1 is 3, so I takes totally 3 values, right? So for I is equal to 1, what do we have? a3 of 1 is equal to a4 of 1 minus a4 of 4 into a4 of 3 divided by 1 minus k4 square. Fine, this is, so a4 of 1 is 3.1 minus a4 of 4 is 2.3 into a4 of 3 is 4.2 minus 1 minus k4, and k4 is 2.3 whole square. This ends up with 1.529. Okay, now for I is equal to 2, we have a3 of 2 is equal to a4 of 2 minus a4 of 4 into a4 of 2, because I is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, divided by 1 minus k4 square, and this is equal to a4 of 2 is given is 5.5 minus a4 of 4 is 2.3 into a4 of 2 is 5.5 whole divided by 1 minus 2.3 square, and this ends up with 1.667. Okay, now for I is equal to 3, we have a3 of 3 is equal to a4 of 3 minus a4 of 4 into a4 of, so 4 minus 3 is 1 whole divided by 1 minus k4 square. This is equal to a4 of 3, so a4 of 3 is 4.2 minus a4 of 4 is 2.3 into a4 of 1, so a4 of 1 is 3.1, so 3.1 whole divided by 1 minus 2.3 square. This ends up with 0.683. Okay, so this is about for m equal to 4. Now for m equal to 3, so for m equal to 3, we have k3 is equal to a3 of 3, which is equal to 0.683, right? So a3 of 3 values, so a3 of 3 value is 0.683. So now, so am minus 1 of I is equal to am of I minus am of m into am of m minus I whole divided by 1 minus km square. For I taking the value, since m is equal to 3, it is 1 comma 2. Okay, so I taking the value 1 to m minus 1, so it takes two values 1 and 2, right? So for I right, so but what is m? M is 3, right? So let me substitute the value of m. So 3 minus 1 is 2. a2 of I is equal to a2 of a3 of I minus a3 of 3 into a3 of 3 minus I whole divided by 1 minus k3 square, right? So I taking the value 1 2. So for I is equal to 1, we have a2 of 1 is equal to a3 of 1 minus a3 of 3 into a3 of 3 minus 1 is 2 whole divided by 1 minus k3 square. This is equal to a3 of 1. What is the value of a3 of 1? We found a3 of 1 in the previous loop, right? a3 of 1 is 1.529. So 1.529 minus a3 of 3 is 0.683 into a3 of 2. So a3 of 2 we got 1.667. 1.667 whole divided by 1 minus k3 square, which is 0.683 square. So this ends up with 0.732. Okay. Now for I is equal to 2, we have a2 of 2 is equal to a3 of 2 minus a3 of 3 into a3 of 2 whole divided by 1 minus k3 square. So this is equal to, so this is a3 of 1, right? Because when I equal to 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. This is equal to 1.667. a3 of 2 value is 1.667 minus a3 of 3 value, which is 0.683 into a3 of 1 value, which is 1.529 whole divided by 1 minus 0.683 square. So this ends up with 1.167. Okay, this is for m equal to 3. Now similarly for m equal to 2, for m equal to 2, so we have k2 is equal to a2 of 2, which is equal to, what is the value of a2 of 2? So a2 of 2 is 1.167. So it is 1.167, right? Now m is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1. a1 of I is equal to a2 of I minus a2 of 2 into a2 of 2 minus I divided by 1 minus k2 square. I taking the value, since it is varying from 1 to m minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, I takes only one value, which is 1. So what do I get? For I is equal to 1, a1 of 1 is equal to a2 of 1 minus a2 of 2 into a2 of 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 1 minus k2 square. This is equal to, what is the value of a2 of 1? We got a2 of 1 in the previous loop, which is 0.732, right? So it is equal to 0.732 minus a2 of 2, which is 1.167 into a2 of 1. a2 of 1 is 0.732. So 0.732 divided by 1 minus k2 square, and k2 is 1.167 square. This ends up with 0.338. Okay. So now the last loop, for m is equal to 1, k1 is equal to what? a1 of 1, which is equal to, what is the value of a1 of 1? 0.338. Now you have to stop here because I got the value of k1. So therefore we got all the values of k, right? k1 is what? 0.338. k2 is equal to what? 1.167. k3 is equal to 0.683 and k4 is equal to 2.3. Okay, so these are the coefficients for lattice realization. Now I have to realize this. It's a fourth order lattice structure. So I need to realize this fourth order lattice structure. So it is a 4 cascaded first order lattice structure. So we have x of n coming here, z power minus 1. So adder. So this has to be multiplied with k1, which is equal to 0.338. k2, so this is also k1 is equal to 0.338. Okay, so this is the first structure, and this has to be fed to second structure. So second structure, z power minus 1, and adder here, and directly you can add it here, and this is the coefficient of k2. So what is the value of k2? k2 value is 1.167. Here also k2, which is equal to 1.167, right? And this has to be fed to third structure. So this is K3. So what is the value of K3? K3 is 0.683. Here also K3, which is equal to 0.683. Now the fourth structure, z power minus 1. So this is our output y of n, and this is K4. So what is the value of K4? It is 2.3, and here it is K4, which is equal to 2.3. Okay, so this is the fourth order lattice structure realization.